Hello everyone, welcome to the series of data analysis using JAMOVI. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to perform Kruskal Wallis test in JAMOVI and its interpretation. You can find more videos on JAMOVI, SPSS, RStudio, MS Excel, econometrics, statistics on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's begin with the meaning of Kruskal Wallis test. Kruskal Wallis test is a non-parametric test. That means normality assumption is not required. So if your continuous data is non-normal or you have ordinal data, then in that case the Kruskal Wallis test is used when you have more than two independent groups. So here we can see I have the data on product ratings on a scale of 1 to 10. Now we have three groups, types of residence: rural, urban and semi-urban. So since we have more than two groups and our dependent variable is measured on ordinal scale, we can use Kruskal Wallis test to find whether we have the significant difference in the product ratings among rural, urban and semi-urban respondents. So how to perform it? Now before that, let's understand the null and alternative hypothesis. So what is null hypothesis in this case? The null hypothesis says that H naught, the null hypothesis says that there is no significant difference, in product ratings among rural, semi-urban and urban respondents. Against the alternative hypothesis, we have the significant difference. So this is how we define the null and alternative hypothesis in case of Kruskal Wallis test. So now let's understand how to perform it. So go to analysis. In analysis, go to ANOVA. And in ANOVA, here we have the option of one-way ANOVA Kruskal Wallis, that is non-parametric. So click on it. What is our dependent variable? Dependent variable is ratings and our grouping variable is residence. So you click on effect size also. So now here we can see the sample statistic is 14.4 and p value is less than 0.001. Therefore we reject H naught and we conclude that we have the significant difference in product ratings. Now here we have the effect size 0.369. Now effect size shows the practical significance. Now this is large enough. This effect size is large enough that shows the practical significance of the difference. But now we want to identify that which group is different from others, and therefore we need to select this DSCF pairwise comparison. We need to select pairwise comparison. From this table actually we can identify that which group is different from other groups. Whether rural is different from all two, all three groups are different from each other. So let's understand this. So first we have rural and semi-urban. This rural and semi-urban. The p value is less than 0.05. and therefore the difference between rural and semi-urban is significantly different. So we can say that ratings for rural is significantly different from semi-urban. Then we have rural and urban, significantly different. So rating for rural is significantly different from urban. But here we can see there is no significant difference between semi-urban and urban. See this p-value. It is statistically insignificant because p-value is greater than 0.05. So ratings for semi-urban is equal to ratings for urban. So therefore, rural is different from semi-urban. Rural is also different from urban, but urban is not different from semi-urban as far as product rating is concerned. So this is how we can find the group which is different from other groups through pairwise comparison. So if you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.